Hi everyone and welcome back. Another installment in my Unguttables series. This is the Master Lock 160. There it is. It's a 60 mil chunk of brass. Here's the key. Some low lifts at the front, some highs at the back. So this one has been drilled out and grubbed, and I put the pics of the internals on the LPU Beltap website. So let's pick it and see what's in it. Tensioning with a 1.2 mil pry bar. Fits quite well. 1.3 is too big, but the 1.2 is good. 25 thousandths high reach, Sparrow's high reach. Fits really well. Okay, 1 is springy, 2 is binding. No, 2 is springy. Okay, 3 is springy. 4 is binding. Got a little click there, I think. Yeah, it's springy now. 5 is binding. I heard 4 drop. 5 is springy, 4 is binding again. Got it. 3 is binding. That's springy. 2 is springy, 1 is springy. Go back to 5. 5 was kind of binding a bit. 4 springy. 3 springy. 2 binding. Feels weird. And 1 is binding. There we go. Springy. Felt the plug move there. 2 is, yeah, 2 is binding more close. Oh, there, it's open. There we go. All right, let's see what's in her. It's a 5-pinner. It would be cool if it was a 6-pinner. It's a 60 mil body. There's room. Master Lock, are you listening? Can make the 160 a 6-pinner. Can't get the spring. Come on. There it is. Long spring for that wide body. Standard in 1. Wait, is that's the key pin, I think. Is that the driver? Yeah, standard key pin, standard driver. Excuse me. Another long spring, even longer than the one in number 1. Some of these locks I grubbed quite a while ago, and I don't remember if I mangled that spring and had to stretch it back into shape or what. It's possible. Standard driver in 2. What's in 3? There. Oh, looks like 2 and 3 springs are the same length. Maybe 1 is more compressed for some reason. I don't know. Standard driver, standard key pin in 3. Sounds like there's a dance party upstairs. Long spring in 4. Standard driver in 4. Standard key pin. There we go. And 5. That won't come off. There we go. Doesn't want to come out. There we go. Long spring in 5. And what do we have here? Standards. So, oh wait, mixed those up. Standard drivers, which is interesting because the 130 has spools, the one I have anyway. The 140 now has standards. It used to have spools. The 150 has spools, and the 160 has standards. I also have the 170, but I haven't grubbed it and I can't remember what's in it. I think it might be standards. Maybe I'll pick it in another video. Anyway, let's have a look here. There we go. Standard key pins, standard drivers, not much excitement there, but kind of a fun pick. And those standards do, they're a bit finicky as far as true binding order. Anyway, that's all I've got. The Master Lock 160, picked and gutted. Thanks very much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.